Hey guys, welcome back. This is number 8, I guess, of the rebuild. I'm going to be installing the beadboard in the kitchen area here. I've already got some contact cement on the wall and on the beadboard that we're going to be putting up. So I'm just waiting for it to dry off right now. But oh, I got fingerprints all over my lens. Anyway, I'll clean that off. Thanks for joining me again. Let's get to this. All right, so what we're looking for is a slightly tacky surface where it's dry, all the pools are dry. That seems like what we've got. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on, I guess. This one goes over here in the corner. Ooh, she's sticky. It's supposed to have a roller, it's pressure sensitive. Seems like she's good. I grab that little piece. That one's up. I don't have a roller, but I got a roll of tape. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah. Shoot him up and down on each one of these beads. All right. Don't look back, buddy. I'll wait for that other one to dry up, and then we'll put it on. Let's stick her in there. I want to line the beads up. Good. I noticed I missed a couple spots over here on this wall with primer, so I have to go grab the primer. So sad. Come on now, mama. Ain't nothing here so bad. You got a fast car. Dirt. We don't want grit in there. All right, let's let this set up. Where's my lid? And then we'll stick these pieces on. Let's see if we can get this guy in there. Girl, whoops. Without breaking it. Whoa. That works, I guess. Yep, okay. There we go. All right, we just got one more. I'm gonna leave all these wires buried in the wall. Should I leave them buried in the wall or should we bring them out this hole? Probably better bring them out the hole. Stuff from here to there. Basically, I don't work down. I guess if I screw it up, I can always fix it with something, right? No, I don't. All right. Oh, that fit through there. Got a little room. Oh, I need to cut a hole in the bottom too for my for the propane detector. So I've actually changed where I'm going to put the propane detector, carbon monoxide detector, whatever that is. This used to be the original return, so I'm just going to put it in this piece of wood that I put there. That way this is going to be blank, so I can put the spice niche in there if I want to put a spice niche. So let me glue up these 1-bys, and then I'll glue up on the back of here, and then we'll stick that guy on, and that'll be that. Got me glue. Need to open the glue. Tell me where you wanna go. We're making this one real sticky. Basically, I don't work down there anymore. Alright, we'll let it dry and then we'll stick it up there. We're dry. Let's put it in. Ooh. I think we're gonna worry about this corner. Get it into the wall. Like so. Okay. There it is. Pretty solid there, my friend. So we got the wires pulled through. Tight in here, square on the floor. Cabinet looks like it's leaning in, because I know my line there is square. So I could undo those and lean this out just a little bit. Then the rest of that I'll trim out 1-inch pieces. Trim the corner, trim that, trim the top. I'll cut this off and then we'll get a corner, a 1-inch corner for it for here and there. I think those are the only 2 outside corners. It's hot out here. I think I'm gonna call it for today, and then tomorrow we'll do some painting and put in the other remaining pieces of wood. There's only 3 of them. And I got the little one there. I got that wall and that wall. Maybe that. I'm having a hard time scraping that off, and I don't think it's gonna fully come off. But anyway, that's gonna do it for today. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Hey, all right, welcome back. I've already replaced this wood panel here that was charred. There was some melted foam back there, but it's not like what's in the wall. It's just the white styrofoam, and it's basically helping insulate, I guess, just that cavity, really, because, you know, those are open on the back for those things. So we're gonna go ahead and stick that piece in and that piece in. So I'm gonna go draw this out and cut it here real quick. There must be more than one angle going on here. The bottom fits, but the top does not. I'm not sure which wall is in here, but we're gonna have to gotta take from nothing to a 1/2 inch off of that, and then she should fit in there. There it is. See how easy that is? Kind of like balsa wood. See what we got here. All right, there it is. Let's get this other piece. 14 1/4, 8 3/8. Okay, let's go fit it. I need to go pick up another piece of wood for this rear wall here from Home Depot, I think is where I picked this stuff up at. So I'll get these glued in here right now, and then we'll run up and get another sheet put into there. Maybe we can get that put in tonight yet, and then we can start doing some painting and stuff. I'm gonna paint all of the wood first, and then we'll leave the walls for last. Yeah, but let's get these glued in. I have to glue them up, so let me find my glue. Actually, I know where the glue is, no big deal. Pretty dry, it sucks up the glue like pretty good. All right, so while I was waiting on that, I took my air conditioning controls and I put an extension cord onto it. So let's see if, I'm curious as to if the air conditioner is still gonna work. There's a fiber squirrel cage up in there that I'm kind of worried about might have got melted. So I just want to see if it's gonna be balanced. Should be able to just plug this in. Is it off? Seems like it's off. Plug this in. No sparks. Oh, fan turns on. Those two seem the same. Oh, maybe a low fan, low heat, high fan. Oh, I heard the AC compressor kick on. Ooh. Cold air, low cool, high cool. Nice. Thermostat work? I think thermostat work. Let's hold it up into the air and see. Still on. Oh, yep, just cycled. Nice. That's good. So this works. I was kind of dreading that, finding out it wasn't working. Awesome. Good. Next, you like what I had to do to the wires? I'm gonna need to rewire the, not the best, but hey, that works. Come here, little one. Is this one ready? Yep. Good. Done. Let's maybe get this wallpaper off of there. I think that'll be all of the wallpaper then. That'll be gone. Got it. Hey guys, welcome back. Following day. Had kind of an abrupt stop yesterday because we had some cousins come into town and we hung out at the beach and then watched one of the Falcon 9s take off. But anyway, we're back here, we're working again. I got all of the wallpaper pulled off. This fascia board on the slide, I'm not sure if I'm going to replace it. I'll probably end up replacing it with some poplar or something. I don't think I'm going to do it just yet. I'll have to slide the slide in a little bit because right now when you put these slides all the way out, they tip or they sit like this when they're in, and then when they go out against the wall, they hit the wall and then the bottom comes in, which makes a tight seal. That's why you'll see some people when they're traveling, because the top just kind of floats in here, right? So it can tip back and forth, but you'll see some people put when the slide is in, they'll put an anchor from that piece of the slide to something over here up on the, maybe I can put an anchor up in there and then just put a short ratchet strap between it, because there is a pretty solid 1x up there that we could put an eyelet in and then anchor that. Let's get it cut and stuck in. I might put some Bondo in there. It's a little sturdier than drywall mud on these cracked. I have no idea, but anyway, I guess that's for future Jared in an hour or so. But anyway, let's get this piece of wood cut and do it. To the roof, 30 by 50 and a quarter. No sheet. Take this up in there, measure out the door. 14 and a half. 14 and a half and an eighth. 25 and 7/8. 25, 7/8. Good. There is a wall panel. Well, I'll be. Let's glue this up and stick her in place. Uh-oh. She was kind of open. Hope she ain't dried out. Nah. Looks pretty ooey gooey to me. A little more and we're done. Through the magic of forgetting to hit record. Done. All right, let's see if we can get this to slip in there without any issue. Nailed it. Works for me. All right, I don't know. I think that's it for today. It's 2:30. I missed a day. This is Monday, so I got to go edit this video. And then Tuesday we'll pick up on filling these. Let's fill these, and then we'll work on getting some paint in here, and possibly I'm going to pull up this floor because I got some new linoleum to put down. It's appliances and countertops, and we'll be ready to get out of here. That'll be it for now, guys. Stay curious, chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming.